Oh my god, man. Wow. It's only for no, I am not going to tell you the price for this. To know the price of this waffle, you have to come here in the DMR. Hello guys, we are back with another brand new vlog. I hope you guys are doing great, having fun in your lives. I don't know I am happy or sad, just coming from the university, but I am happy. I have submitted one assignment, but still pending 3 assignments. But now I am so stressed out and I need to get myself refreshed, but I don't know how, because you know in Eco Galleria there are so many restaurants, you know, like cafes, restaurants, and they all are very expensive. So what to do now? What we have to do?
What?
So we need to find any cafe that has the best products like smoothies, waffles. But we have to keep in mind that it's on budget, because you know we are students. We have to keep the budget in our mind. So let's roam around all the Eco Galleria and find the best cafe. Let's go with me. I'm just roaming on level 2 of Eco Galleria, and I have found one poster of a cafe DMR, and see what they are providing, like ice creams only for 199 for real, bro. And they have mango smoothies, man. We have to go there, bro. And it's on unit number 308, so we can go there easily. Have to find out, like, are they really providing these products for these prices? Is it real? Let's go there, bro. I think the cafe is behind the Bentley Music. See, like, we just come from the university from there and walk it around there, and the cafe is behind the Bentley Music. So just go and see what is happening there right now.
What is that?
Okay, so I think we have reached the cafe. Yeah, here we go. So this is the DMR. So we have to go inside and see, are they really providing these stuff for so cheap price? Okay, let's go there. Hello. How are you? Can I shoot you guys if it's okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So actually I have seen your poster from outside. So you are providing like a really cheap prices. Is it real?
Yeah, it's real. As
Oh.
you can see it for yourself.
Okay.
So these are the things that we are offering for now.
Oh,
Okay. And
because
we
I am a smoothie lover and I have seen like you are providing the mango smoothies for so cheap prices. Is it real? Can you show me?
Yep, it is real, and so our shop is specialized in mango smoothies.
Oh.
So as you can see, this is our mango series,
Ah.
a lychee series
Okay.
with mango as a prime flavor, and these are the chocolate series. You can try that as
And
well.
I have seen like you are giving the ice cream for just 199.
Yep,
Is it?
sure. Yeah. as
For
you
real?
see- Yeah.
Oh man,
You
yeah,
can even
bro.
see that. Yeah.
Oh
it's like
yeah, like
Wow.
so we'll order this. Like, yeah, we can try this. Okay, so I'll just order the mango smoothie. I think I can have this one, mango smoothie, fresh milk.
Okay.
And yeah, I'll love to have ordered this one as well because it's only 199. So
All right. Sure.
yeah, sure. So bye. The ambience is also very nice. Yeah, they have. I mean, like, for how long you have opened this cafe?
We are moving in 4 months, 4 to 5 months.
Oh, nice.
We are still new.
Because I have been in the so many cafes in Eco Galleria and they are so expensive. So I can't believe that you guys are in the Eco Galleria and you are providing these kind of prices for these products.
Yeah, because our target customers are all students. We have a
Oh.
lot of nearby colleges nearby.
Oh, okay. So just for me, one this one and one this one. Okay.
All right.
Okay, so we'll try that one. Hope it doesn't disappoint us, because I can't believe these kind of prices they can give in Eco Galleria. Let's see. So I have done with my order. Now I'm just waiting. Like, I have loved the ambience because it's so nice. So maybe I can ask them how they are going to make the drinks. So let's see. Because normally the staff didn't allow us. So how they are going to make the drinks? Maybe they can, if we wanna ask them. So hello sir. Can I want to ask you? Can show my audience how you are going to make the drinks? Are you okay with that? Yeah, so nice. So we are in the kitchen area. Okay. So this is the mango smoothie, right?
This is the mango smoothie.
Oh,
So for now we have multiple orders.
okay.
As you can see,
Oh.
Proportions for the ice,
Okay, okay, okay.
the mangoes, and also we don't use normal glucose.
Oh.
We use fructose, which is a form of.
Oh, actually, the place is very nice. Yeah, I think this is the basic rule of any F&B business. The product should be nice, very clean and hygienic. Yeah, I can't believe that I am in the inside of their counter. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll wait for the order. We'll wait.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I think finally our order is here. Thank you so much, sir. I think I should try the ice cream first because it will be melted. Because actually I didn't have my breakfast, so thank you so much. So we have our smoothie and this ice cream. So now I'm just going to try this one. Actually, today is very hot. That's why I ordered the ice cream, and now I'll just give you the honest review. Man, that's crazy. Literally, you can see it from here. I can eat it in 2 seconds. So just give me the 2 seconds. I'll just eat it, and then I'll give you the review of the smoothie. Love it, man. So the ice cream was quite amazing. Now I'm going to try the smoothie. Actually, this part I had loved this part. So this was quite nice. So okay, so this one. Now I'll give you the honest review because I am not going to lie with my audience. So let's hope. I hope this one is going really crazy. I think I should take one more sip. Man, what a drink. Guys, what a drink you have made. Thank you so much. Literally, it was amazing. Actually, this one is amazing. Can you tell me the name for this one? One more.
Mango smoothie with fresh milk.
Yeah, mango smoothie with fresh milk. Actually, it's actually a fresh milk. So guys, in this hot weather, literally I just wanted this one. So this was the drink. Yeah, mango DMR is really amazing, guys. And actually this ice cream, you can't believe that it's only for 1 ringgit and 99 cents. Yeah, it's real. So actually I think this is the end of month. I am very tight on budget, but I don't think so that I'm going to leave this place right now because I think I'll order one more thing or maybe 2 more things. I don't know. So first I'll just have this one. Love that.
Nice.
Yes, so guys, I have literally loved their mango smoothie which they just suggested me. So guys, bro, I have loved that. Thank you so much. So can you suggest me your best 1 or 2 products because actually I didn't have my breakfast.
Okay, so.
Okay, in
for your
waffles.
stomach,
Okay.
I would like to suggest you these waffles.
Okay, this waffle.
Yeah.
Okay, I love to have this one. This
Alright.
premium Nutella waffle. Okay.
Okay, and for the second drink, I would like to offer you.
Yeah, actually, I just want to have one of them. So which one is better?
I think this is good.
Okay.
Ice blended.
Okay, I love to have this one.
Blended, and
Okay.
for the dim sum, I would like.
What are these things like?
This is Chinese cuisine dim sums. We call it
Okay.
dim sums. So yeah, I'll suggest you this.
Okay.
Chicken with button mushrooms.
Okay.
And also this otak-otak. It's a Malaysian dish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I love to have this ayam and sindawang and the 42 otak. Yeah.
Okay.
And this one, I think this is also a good drink. So we have ordered the waffle and the dark cocoa with lotus. So then I'll give you the review for that products as well. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so our order is here. Oh man, this is looking crazy. Yeah. So our waffle is there, our drink is there by Splendid, and our toppings are there. Okay, so I think today I'll be very full. So I'll give you the review for these products. I know these are looking quite amazing, but I'll eat them first and then I'll give you the review. So firstly, I think we should try the waffles. Okay. Oh, they are nice. Man, you can see it from there. Oh, they are so smooth, hot, and so fresh. I love that. Literally love that. And you know what? It's only for. No, I am not going to tell you the price for this. to know the price of this waffle, you have to come here in the DMR. Guys, this one is literally quite amazing. Man, wow. So now our next product is here. I am going to try this one as well. Okay. Now amazing. I mean, I think so. After having this, you don't need any lunch because it's quite heavy. So I think this can make up for your lunch as well. See, man, this is literally amazing. I swear you. I think I am going to force you guys to just come here to have this one at least once. At least once you should guys try this. And you know what? Now I'm going to show you one thing that will literally have water in your mouth. I swear you. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, man. Wow.
Nice.
I think this is the best blended drink I have in my life. Literally, bro. Just you can see this on your own. Just see this. Wow. Amazing. So guys, this is the total food we just have, and I'll not lie you guys that 10 on 10 all the products are good. So I'll give you the honest rating. This one is literally 10 on 10. You can see this one. Wow. And the smoothie, it's also really good. So it's I think 10 on 9. And this one, they are really nice. You can try these out. These are 10 on 8. And yeah, these waffles, they are still so crunchy and smooth. You can see. So I don't think so now I need to have a lunch because I am so full. And yeah, I didn't have my breakfast, and I was hoping that I can get any good cafe and any good product. So thank God I just came here at DMR. So I think we can ask the owner if students can come here or not. So excuse me, sir, I want to ask you, like, I am from University of Southampton, so can the students come here and do their assignment stuffs and like sit here, because this is a very calm and peaceful place. I have been here. Come here.
Sure. Students can come anytime. We are our operating hours is actually from 11 to 9 p.m. So they can come here, do their assignments.
Okay.
Or probably they can have chit chat or maybe gathering, anything, any sort of activities. We love them to come and visit us.
Okay, and I want to tell you one thing, like I have tried this food. It was really amazing.
Thank you so much.
Love that. And you know what, I want to tell you one more thing. They are new here, that's why the prices are cheap, and I am definitely sure in 1 or 2 months they are going to be one of the biggest cafes in Eco Galleria. So please come here as quick as fast, because they are going to increase their prices whenever they'll get the famous, you know. So please come here and literally try this one. This one is literally crazy, man. You can try this one, smoothie. Love that. And you know what, this is so cheap. You can find this price just by coming here. So when you come here, you will find how much is this for. This one is literally very cheap, bro, and I think it's enough for anyone's breakfast. I love that, bro.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I am full right now, and thank God I have my lunch and breakfast both in just one. So I would love to thank the guys. So guys, thank you so much. Literally the food was really amazing, and I think so you guys are going to be the most like famous or the growing cafe in Eco Galleria. Thank you really so much. So yeah, thank you so much. So guys, I wanna say you one thing. You just don't believe me, just come here and try their products at least once. Then you can just comment in my video. I'm right or wrong, it's totally on you. So okay, so I think you have liked this vlog as well. I have loved this place, and guys, I am deadly sure that I am going to come again with my friends as well. So thank you so much again. So guys, their ambience is really good, their food was really good, and they are also really good. So I hope you have liked this vlog. Comment below in the comment section if you want to know the place or anything else, then love to do that. See you in the next vlog. Thank you.